Hello there and welcome back to DaveTech. In today's quick tutorial, I'll show you how to enable or disable app permissions on Firestick.
Before we continue, a quick reminder. If you're using a smart TV, Fire Stick, or Android TV device, I highly recommend using a VPN. A VPN helps protect your privacy, secure your connection, and keep your personal data safe while browsing or streaming. I personally recommend NordVPN. It's fast, reliable, and works smoothly with TV devices. I've put a special link in the description. If you want to check it out, do so right now. Let's get back into the video.
Let's get started. So to do this, follow step by step and you have the same results. So come over to settings, then go to applications. Click on applications and that launches this page. Now go to manage install applications. Make sure it is set to all applications showing and alphabetically. Now you see all apps. This is a full list of apps on the device. And let's say you wanted to turn on or turn off the permissions of any app. For instance, let's just use Plex. So if I click on Plex, that gives me permissions. If I click permissions, I can turn on or off these permissions. For instance, I can allow Plex to use the microphone. I can allow Plex to use files and media. That's turning it on. At the same time, I can turn to deny the permissions, turn it off, or deny the permissions for files and media and turn it off. So that's how to do it. That's how you're going to actually enable or disable app permissions on Firestick. Give it a try. Let me know what you think in the comments below. If you found that useful, like the video. If you haven't already, subscribe to the channel for more content like this. This is DaveTech signing out.